In a big shock to mutual fund investors, SEBI is looking into investment company Quant Mutual Fund because of suspected irregularities in managing investments. It has accused the firm of performing illegal acts like front running. So what is this front running? How does it impact investors and what did SEBI actually say? Let's understand. First, let's understand what happened. Markets regulator SEBI noticed discrepancies in Quant MF during their regular inspections. Audit firms flagged concerns about Quant MF's practices in their reports to SEBI. There were concerns related to illegal activities like front running. So what is front running? Well, front running is the practice where someone with insider knowledge of upcoming trades uses that information for personal securities purchases before executing the client orders. Okay, let me put it in simple words. Say a stock broker gets a large order from a client of 5 lakh shares for XYZ company. Now, a big order like this will impact the stock price and the price of XYZ company will go up. So this stockbroker buys the shares of the stock for himself at the current price. Then the broker executes the large order and the demand for the stock will go up and the price also goes up. Then the broker sells the shares of XYZ company at a higher price, making huge profits. Now this makes the client pay a higher price for their shares because of the front running done by the broker, while the stockbroker makes an extra profit. Now, using this insider information for personal gain is unethical and illegal as per SEBI rules. Now, how does this impact you as an investor? Front running usually negatively impacts investors in many ways. When an intermediary front runs large order, it causes the stock prices to move against the interest of the investor. Say for example, an intermediary or a broker front runs. He purchases shares first and the price of the stock goes up before the mutual fund can complete the purchase. This will result in the fund paying higher price for the shares. This also reduces the potential returns. And for sell orders, the mutual fund receives lower price for the share, which again reduces the potential gains. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, because Quant Mutual Fund is among the best performing mutual fund houses over the past 3 years. The AUM has grown from 258 crore rupees in Jan 2020 to over 90,000 crore rupees in June 2024. As of March 28, 2024, in small cap funds, Quant Small Cap Fund was the second best performing fund with 66.51% returns in 1 year. In mid caps, it was the top performing with 65.56%. Its large cap fund too was the best performing and gave 52.38% gains in 1 year. As per experts, Quant MF has enough large cap investments in their small and mid cap funds too. Both funds have almost 10% each in Reliance alone. They say that there might be selling in mid and small cap stocks that Quant holds and expect some underperformance by the funds in near term if SEBI finds front running. So now what happens to Quant MF? Well, there will be monetary penalties directed at dealers, fund managers and the outside brokers with whom the fund has colluded. Last year, SEBI barred Viresh Joshi and 20 more listed in Axis MF front-running case from buying and selling securities in the market and even associating themselves with the securities market. In April this year, SEBI asked fund houses or AMCs to have an institutional mechanism for deterrence of potential market abuse, including front running. The mechanism involves enhanced surveillance systems, internal control procedures, and escalation processes to identify and monitor types of misconduct. Addressing the issue, Quant MF said, and I quote, "We want to assure that Quant Mutual Fund is a regulated entity and we are always fully committed to cooperate with the regulator throughout any review. We will provide all necessary support and continue to furnish data to SEBI on regular and as needed basis. We appreciate the confidence, faith, and strength of 80 lakh plus folios and 93,000 AUM and believe that the support will continue. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.